Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about scalar and vector quantities. These quantities often described as being scalar and vector quantities. Scalar and vector quantities differentiated depend on their definition. Scalar quantities based on physical quantity that's only magnitude, for example, mass and electric charge. Other than that, a vector quantity defines the physical quantity that boosts magnitude as balanced direction like force and weight. In this video, I want to try share what is the scalar and vector quantities. What is scalar quantities? Scalar quantities is a quantity that has magnitude only, but no direction. Scalar quantity can change in terms of its magnitude only, and scalar normal rule of algebra are applicable. For example of scalar quantities are mass, length, and time. Next, what is vector quantities? Vector quantities is a quantity that has both directions as well as magnitude. Vector quantities can change in terms of either magnitude or its direction of application. For vector, only vector algebra is applicable. Example of vector quantities are velocity, acceleration, and polarization.
The scalar field relates the scalar value to each point in space. A scalar is mathematical number that represents a physical quantity. Example of scalar field in application include temperature distribution across space, pressure distribution in liquid in zero, rotation quantum field known as scalar bosons, such as height field. This field is the subject of scale field theory. This title can be combined with cricket as it takes into account the angle of the throw performance by the thrower and the batsman in terms of the field area and the energy pressure required by the player. In cricket, if a batsman is hit by a lob shot, there will be three possibilities like catch, out, or fall before the field or a maximum, depending on the batsman at which angle he shot and how fast he hit the ball. If everything met the requirement for a force maximum, then the ball crossed the boundary. Otherwise, two more accidents can happen. This is all about cricket related vector.
Mathematical solution. 5 cricketers are practicing throwing and catching the ball. Their position based on the triangle diagram A, B, C, D, E. The position of students BC equal to CD equal to DE are in a straight line. Given AB equal to 3A plus 2B and BC A minus B. Find the throwing distance in terms A and B. Question A. Vector ED. Vector ED equal to vector CB. We get the answer negative A plus B. Question B. Vector AC. Vector AC equal to vector AB plus vector BC. Vector AB equal to 3A plus 2B. And vector BC is A minus B. The answer is 4A plus B. Question C. Find the vector DA. Vector DA equal to vector DE plus vector EA. Vector DE is A minus B plus vector EA is 3 vector ED plus vector BA. A minus B plus 3 negative 3A minus 2B. The answer is negative 5A. Thank you.
In conclusion, we know that we can relate our daily life with scalar quantities and vector quantities, such as we can relate it with sports, engineering, science, gaming, and others than that. In short, scalar quantity give us an idea about how much of an object there is, but vector quantity give you an indication of how much of an object there is, and that also in which direction. So the main difference between these two quantity is associated with the direction. Other than that, scalars do not have direction, but vectors do. That's all from me. Thank you.